Hello IELTS students, I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to give you one sample answer of one cue card about an interesting talk or lecture you attended. So let's start. Talk about an interesting talk or lecture. Questions are below. When did you hear? Where you heard it? What was it about? Who was the speaker? And explain why you think it was an interesting. Let's go to the sample answer. Attending formal lecture of history and political science sounds monotonous to me, but I never miss seminars and TED Talks. Usually I watch psychology and technology related topics on YouTube. A short time ago, I attended an absorbing lecture about social media. The lecture was delivered by Dr. Raman in our college. He was invited in our college on 5th September. Purpose of this seminar was to make pupils aware about the impact of social media on their mind and life. All students were informed about this seminar 5 days ago. I was looking forward to attend this seminar with my friends since it was going to be distinct than routine lectures. I reached there approximately half an hour ago and I was astonished to see many students were gathered there already. This all seemed to be excited. Seminar began with the welcome speech by Dr. Raman, who has good oratory skills. In this seminar, we were told how most of youngsters have fallen a victim to the evil power of social networking. Numerous students admitted that they are addicted to social media and spend far too long on social networking sites, writing their updates and reading updates of others. Dr. Raman quoted a survey which was done on people who stopped using social media. We realized that a good amount of precious time is being wasted on social media instead of utilizing it. Having attended seminar, many students made a commitment to cut down time spent on social media. I am sure that seminar has changed many youngsters' lives for the betterment. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.